All right, new project in the house. So here's what I got going on. This here I've had for like 3 or 4 years. Originally, this knife here was purchased at a yard sale, and the blade was really in bad shape. This is not the original blade for this knife. I forgot the model of this knife here. If I find it, I'll put it here. If not, it is what it is. So I'm thinking this is going to be the new blade for this knife. Yes, it is a little too long, as you can see. It's not meant for it. But you know what? I'm going to modify it and see what happens, you know. I like these type of projects. Here's one that I did a while back. One of a kind case handle with an Imperial blade. And it works out very well. Okay. And another example is this Buck Strider collaboration blade that I put onto this AliExpress titanium frame lock. I forgot the name of I think it's Joofy makes that. But that's 2 examples of you know, what I like to do. I like to modify things, make it a one of a kind. Another thing is I don't have the original scales for this, which is bone. You can see this one's broken. So we'll see. I'm just going to, I don't know, put something, whatever I have on hand. I do have quite a bit of material, but I don't have any bone. But maybe I can make something look like bone. I don't know. We'll see. Just thinking out loud real quick, guys. So, wish me luck. Let's see what happens. Okay? All right. I'm here in the shop, and I'm going through my parts bin. And I found a few other blades. Well, here's the original blade for this case. As you can see, it is mangled. See that? So here's how it would look like. See that thing? Somebody ruined that thing. That's why this became a parts folder. So that thing's wrecked. I also came across this blade. I think this one, yeah, would work out really nice. Check it out. Now watch when I put this spring in there. Of course I would have to modify it, but it is close. See that? I just don't like this little recurve over here. Here's how it would look like. And of course, I would have to reprofile the blade to make it match. I believe this is a Belkin, John Pelkin, I think it's called, blade. Yeah, it definitely is. I remember it now. Not sure what to do. Do I cut this nice blade to that size? Or do I install this one? We'll see. I'm just going to go with the flow. See what happens here. fun part. Figuring out spring. So, looks like I gotta grind it quite a bit. Also, I'm gonna make this a half stop, so I'm gonna do that. Matter of fact, let me just grind that real quick right now. All right, now it's got a half stop. All right, so looks like I'm gonna have to cut this. So I'm gonna have to cut little by little. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it halfway back together, like this. Good thing I cut that out. Makes things easier. See, I'm gonna bend this. Come on, so close. So close. Trying to get you to see. There you go. All right, so that's how it's looking. Okay. So I like that half stop. Let me go ahead and take a photo. Progress. Yeah. Let me hit this in before it falls out. Okay. Now this part. Okay, so as you can see, I need to cut, right? So I have two choices. I can cut, let's see, into the blade or the spring. In this case, I am going to cut into the blade. Can I make it? Yeah, I might make it. And it fell. It fell out. All right, let's see if I can get that back in. Okay, how we're looking. It's getting there, right? A little more? A lot more, right? All right, let's see how to make it over here. I'm very close to where I want it. Let me press this down. This spring, like that. Okay, so remember, I like that half stop. It's all right. Yeah, I can always go a little that way by grinding it like that. We'll see. Open it, and I think we're close. We are very close. You know what? I think I like that. What do you think? Wow. Yeah, I like that. Let's see where she looks closed. There's no way. Look at that. So you can see where I gotta cut. Unfortunately, I have to. I don't want to, but I have to. It's the way it goes, guys. Before I do that, I'm gonna work on this half stop. See that? Right now, it's just like off to the side. I want it to be a little more straighter. So that's telling me I gotta grind just this little area here. So right here in the corner. Let me get that. Okay, I think I got that half stop where I want it. Let me see. I still need to do that. Okay, here we go. Let me see how this looks. I'm gonna put this in a little more. Oh, it's gonna fall. All right, how are we looking? Yeah, I like that better. See that? That half stop straight up. Okay. And then open it. Oh yeah, a lot better. Look at that. Beautiful. Wish I can keep the blade like that. As you can see, the blade is thicker than the spring. I don't know if that's going to be an issue. Oof, that might be an issue. Eek, I don't know. How will that be? I think I'll be alright. It's just going to have a little gap. Oh, that's what it's going to do. I think I'm going to have to shave this side down. See that? It's quite a bit too. I can taper it. Yeah, I could do that. I don't want to ruin the lettering. Alright, what I had to do was grind the blade on this side. Hopefully it'll look alright. I think so. I did my best, as you can see, pretty close to the spring. The other thing now is going to be cutting the blade. Unfortunately, I have to cut the blade as much as I don't want to. And also, I didn't take for account on that kick. So I might have to do a little modification here. Okay, anyways, so here's what I'm thinking. I'm just going to go down here like this and basically go like this and like this. Almost like a sheep's foot. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do this off camera because it's going to, I don't want to ruin the temper. So I'm going to take little by little, meanwhile, wetting it, keeping it cool so I don't lose that heat treat, okay? That's how she's looking. Looks a little weird like that, but I'm going to work on that and see what I can come up with right now. So, wish me luck. At this point, I'm just going to do what I got to do and then put it all back together and I'll show you the results here in a bit. Okay, so wish me luck. A lot of put it together, take it out, grind this, cut that, blah 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 blah. You know the deal. A lot of that. So shout out to that.